Hi guys, I'm going to review BMW 735i or 7i 2023 model. It has aggressive futuristic look, crystal headlights, daytime running lights, large strikingly illuminated kidney grills and side air vents. It looks so huge. The side feature 20-21 inches wheels, body integrated door handles, power folding and adjustable side mirrors with turn signals. It has two memory seat functions. These buttons to control the seats adjustments. It has steering mounted controls, the leather seats, this is to lock and unlock button, the door, this is to unlock the back door. The interior features wood accent, diamond and crystal patterns, chrome accent and premium leather. Huge एक cinema-like 31.3 inches screen installed for the entertainment and comfort for the rear passenger. Two glass holders in front for front passengers. This is the touch screen, 14-inch. The interior features wood accent, diamond and crystal patterns, chrome accent and premium leather. The rear seats include the footrest option. From the top goes down a huge cinema-like 31.3 inches screen installed for the entertainment and comfort for the rear passenger. It has wireless charger, Wi-Fi, navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and 18 speaker Bose and Wilkins sound system. Technology also features 4-zone climate control, panoramic sky lounge, LED roof and heated and ventilated seat with a 9-program massage function. This car engine is 6-cylinder 3.0 cc liter engine with 268 horsepower and 282 horsepower respectively, with 400 Nm and 540 Nm of torque. It also has 4.4 liter V8 engine with 536 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque. Both engines are connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission and either rear-wheel drive or a all-wheel drive terrain. 0 to 100 km times between 6.7 seconds and 4.2 seconds, and the top speed is 250 km per hour. It has automatic braking system, drive warning system, blind spot detection system, electronic stability program, front and rear parking sensors, rear view camera, lane departure alert, emergency brake and parking assist are on the safety and driver assist features in airbags, traction control and tire pressure monitoring system are safety features. It has extremely responsive driving characteristics. The BMW 7 Series excellent option includes seeking high-end German vehicle. These are the touch features to control the seat adjustments. This is the screen for entertainment, as I mentioned before. It's so luxurious and folding screen. Let's check how it drives. Driving is so smooth. It can maneuver easily anywhere to the corners. It has all 360 camera and the sensors. Let's put reverse. This is the reverse camera. It has parking sensors, camera and 360 view. Front sensors and rear sensors. This is parking brake. Let's check out the hood of the car. Hood and the rear trunk. This is the rear trunk. These are the LED tail lights, rear fog lights, sporty exhaust system, and the rear bumper, cargo and a cargo access. Handling, performance and fuel economy. The cons of BMW 7 Series are